All right, today is when I'm leaving, and let's go over my pack list. So over here, I have my really lightweight sun hat. That right there is my 850 down sleeping bag, if you can believe it. It's really small, compressed, so it's keep me warm at nights if it's cold, which it likely will be. My lacrosse ball for tired muscles at the end of the day. And that is my safety kit for blisters and what have you. That in detail. My bum bag, which has got my credential stuff and money and some electronics. And my wash bag for, toothbrush and bar soap and deodorant, that kind of stuff. And then a spare pack of electrolytes, Kleenex. I am not bringing Kleenex, I'm bringing this. For washing clothes, that right there will help me for sealing the sink if they don't have a drain plug. Never used these before, but I might use these to, if the albergue, if somebody's got the lights on and it's driving me nuts, I can put that on. Or if I'm the one who's getting up early, I've got a headlamp, and this one's got, it's pretty bright, but it's also got red light on it, which is a little kinder to people. Never used this before, but this is a blow-up pillow, so we'll give that a shot. And then my packing towel. That towel is really good. I do recommend that towel. It's full size and absorbs quite well, yet it is lightweight. It's a good balance. In addition to that, is I have this as my spare water, because I'm bringing only a 500 milliliter bottle that's close to my chest, and then this will be somewhere in my pack for spare water, and I can regulate between 0 and 2 liters using that. And then I have these croc-like shoes for the shower and for at the end of the day when I want to take off my boots or hiking shoes. All right, in my bum bag I have this. There's a cord right there, USB-C, and then this pops up to charge my watch, and that gives me power for a few days. So I just have to charge this once every few days. And then for my toiletries, that's my toothpaste. One per this for soap. Inside there is a bar of soap, which I will use for my body, for shaving, for my hair, and for my clothes. Test it all out. Works pretty good. The key is that it's pH 5.5 soap. Doesn't matter what the brand. pH 5.5. That makes all the difference. I'm going to try this deodorant. I've been trying it. It's decent. For my pack, I decided on this Deuter pack. I'm not sure how to say it, but that to one of the arms. And that is a game changer for water access. I usually use a bladder, but I'm not using a bladder on this trip because it would be too hard to tell how much I have left. And clothes. I have 2 pair of Saks underwear. And the reason I picked the Saks mesh, multi-mesh, or whatever it's called, is because it dries fast. And then some outdoor research clothing, pretty much. That shirt there, I have it in a different color that I'm currently wearing. And a sun shirt here, that's a long sleeve hoodie sun shirt. And then some really lightweight Patagonia shorts with zippers. And then this is a Kohler, kind of a dress hiking shirt. It's a button down, and I'll use that for the evenings for social, especially because I'm going to Dublin first and hanging out with a friend for a week. So I forgot to mention the socks I'm bringing are by Darn Tough. I've used them for hiking around British Columbia for a while now, and they are amazing. You get the lightweight ones for the summer and the heavy-duty ones for the winter, and you can wear them for days without them smelling, which is quite helpful. But they're also because of this particular trip, I got lightweight ones, so I could wash them and dry them pretty quickly. In another spot, I'm bringing just some safety pins so I can attach them to my backpack if they still are not dry, and so I can walk and dry them while walking. In addition to what I didn't show was my pants, which are a quick drying hiking pants. They're made by Patagonia as well. And the shirts that I'm wearing, including this particular one, very lightweight material, easy to wash and easy to dry fast. That's the whole point. Dry fast. Okay. I am bringing a padlock, which it's a lightweight, and just in case I need that. I'm also bringing a day pack, which is a super lightweight and simple backpack I can take on shorter trips. And then I've got something I didn't think I needed, but it's a wind jacket. So it's very lightweight and won't really protect me really from any significant rain, but its design is for the wind. And then I have my this is my heavy duty, or my proper rain jacket, and it's got zips underneath the armpits and all that, so which is the common issue with rain jackets, you get hot underneath. I'm pretty close to putting on my jacket and my pack and making my way to the airport. I forgot to mention my other jacket is a polar fleece, Patagonia polar fleece, so that's for the colder mornings and evenings, or if it's really cold at night in a monastery, then that will go in addition to my sleeping bag. But yeah, I'm almost ready to pack up and head out, switch over. Electronics that I'm bringing is my AirPods and this phone with a cellular plan I'm picking up in Europe. One for Dublin and out towards France, and then once I'm in Spain, I'll get one from Spain because they are cheap by comparison here in Canada. So yeah, I'll be keeping in touch online, and it's gonna be fun.